Hello friends, welcome to VPKBIT Baramati. I am Dr. Nitin Jadhav, Assistant Professor at VPKBIT Baramati. So as we know, under the guidance of Honorable Principal Sir, VPKBIT Baramati is marching towards the excellence. So Principal Sir has started many initiatives to become the VPKBIT as an excellent institution. As you know, in this modern civilization, there is an urgent need to inculcate the ethics and value. Same way, in the academic also, in the academic writing, there is an urgent need to inculcate the writing ethics and writing values among the students. Because nowadays, a trend of copy paste has been increased, and we have to inculcate the ethics and code of conduct among the students. So, picking this same thread, Principal Sir has decided to purchase the Turnitin software. So, you know, this software is a powerful tool to detect the plagiarism in the drafted things. So, whenever you write any report, whenever you write any project, some document in which the copy paste things are there. So, culture of copy paste has been increased. So we need to avoid this because this is one type of crime in academics. So to detect the plagiarism, the principal sir has decided to purchase this Turnitin software, and I am very happy to inform you that we have purchased 2000 licenses under the umbrella of VPKBIT. We have provided the licenses of this Turnitin software to all the students as well as all the faculty of VPKBIT. In this video, I am going to tell you how to create account in this Turnitin software and how to use this Turnitin software. So my dear friend, previous a few years back, you may have received this mail. The mail is from this mail ID, that is no reply. You can see here, no reply @turnitin.com. So I have sent this mail maybe few days back. So hope this mail you may not find in your inbox. So what you have to do, you have to search this mail ID. So what type of mail ID is there? You have to search here this mail ID, that is no reply @turnitin.com. So once you search this, you will find this mail. So this mail is no reply @turnitin.com. So welcome to Turnitin. This is your mail. You may have got this mail. So you have to scroll it down, and at down bottom you can find here set up my account. So what you have to do, you have to click here on set up my account. So once you click on set up my account, the new tab will open and you will be directed to this. So you have been invited to join Vidya Pratishthan's Kamal Nayana Bajaj Institute of Engineering Technology Baramati account. So here you have to put your account. So you can assign any username. Suppose I will assign my username. So any type of username you can assign. So I will assign this username, and you have to set your own password. So suppose I assign my own password. I set my own password. So in this way you have to assign any your username and you have to set your password. Click here on this agree tab. So I agree to terms and condition and click on create accounts. So once you click on create account, your account will be created. So in this way it will say welcome this Nitin. So this is your own account. So you can click this. So this is your account. Now you can use this account for plagiarism checking. Now I will tell you how to use this software for checking the plagiarism. So many time you may have account but you have not signed in. So what you have to do, I will tell you how to sign in this account. So first of all, what you have to do, suppose there is new window, open this new window and write here VPKBIT, sorry, VPKBIT dot turnitin.com. So this is the URL you have to search vpkbit.turnitin.com. So once you search this, you will go to this page. Here you have to enter your username, whatever your username is there, and you have to enter your password, whatever the password you have set. So you will log in into this account. So once you log in your account, now you can check plagiarism of any document with you. So first of all, you have to click on this window. Once you click on this window, you have to click here on this Turnitin similarity. So once you click on this Turnitin similarity, now you can check any of the document. So you have to click here, upload document. So this window will open. Here you have to either you drag and drop the document or you select the file. So I will select any random file. Suppose I will select any like this. This is the rough document which I select, and you have to put, this is optional, either you want to put, you put, or you don't put. So this, the name and first name and last name of the author, either you can put or you ignore it also, and you have to click on confirm. Once you click confirm, the document will upload. My dear friend, if the document is lengthy, then it may take few seconds to few minutes to check the plagiarism, so you have to wait. Also, depending upon the internet connection, it may take some time. So now you can see this file is uploaded and it is processing. So now it is checking the similarity. It is checking the plagiarism. So whatever the plagiarism is there in your document, it is checking. So here it will show how much percentage of plagiarism is there. Dear friend, please remember, it is very essential in this modern era. It is very essential to have a good writing skill, have a good writing ethics. You should not have a culture of copy and paste. We will wait for a few minutes because the document is lengthy, a bigger one, so it is taking few minutes. Once the processing is done, it will show how much plagiarism is there. This software is a very much powerful technique. It will show you the sources also. That means from where you have copied this data. So it will show from here you have copied the content. So this much the powerful technique is there. So sometime if internet network is slow, then also it takes time. So I refresh it. So it may work fast. We'll see here. So still it is working, processing. So if the document is larger one, it will take some time, so you have to be patient. Also it depend upon the internet speed. So we'll wait for the few seconds to until the proceed, our document is get proceed and we get the final report. I will again refresh. Yes, now you can see here the 53% plagiarism. You can see here in this document there are 53% similarity. So this is the similarity percentage. You can click here and you can find the report. So you can see here detailed report. So how much plagiarism is there? You can see here. This is the one manuscript in which how much. You see 53% similarity is there. Among this, the 8% is from this, the Guru Gobind Singh something. It will show here the number one is this blue color. So whatever the blue color content is there, this is from the number one source. So it is copied from the number one source. So it will show you like this. Then the second one, this paper, from this paper. So 3% from this paper. So you can see this color indicates it is from the second source. So you will see here number also. This is from the second, this is from one, this is from second. So it will show the what type of content is copied also. It will show you this what type of content is copied. Like this it will show you the list here. So how much from here this content is there. So once you want to download this report, you have to click on this print. Once you click on this print, you have to select the save document. It will save in the PDF form. So I will show you how it will be saved in the PDF format. So you will click on this print. So it will be get saved. Here you can click save as a PDF and you can save this document. So once you click on the save, it will save to the save in PDF format. You can give the destination also. Yes, here. So you can assign the destination here, maybe suppose desktop. So this document I will save here. So now you can check how this looks like. So this is the our plagiarism report. You can see how this plagiarism report, it will show 53% similarity and 8% from this document, 3% from this, 3% from this, 2% from this. And once you scroll it down, you can find a detailed report. So you can see here for detailed things. So how this document it looks like, you can see here, see this. So all this content it will give you, yeah, all the sources and then it will show you, yes, this is the document. It is from 68 number document. It is from 44, it is from 223, like this. All this content you can see here from where it is copied. So my dear friend, this is the very good software. So in this way, so the beauty of this software is that, again, you can check unlimited number of file. Whatever the file you want to check, you can check unlimited number of file. Suppose there is another one document that I would like to check, maybe yeah, maybe suppose this document I want to check. I will just put anything, I will just keep it here like this, and I will just confirm. It will upload and it will show you the report again within a, if document is a small, immediately it will show you the report. If document is larger one, it will take, yeah, you can see here that the processing is there, and once it proceed, it will give you the report. This is the very much powerful tool, you can say simply. Yeah, this is the 0% plagiarism. You can click here and you can see the report. So there is a 0% plagiarism. That means none of the content is copied somewhere. So this is the clear content. So likewise, so the beauty of this software is that you can create here folder. You can create any folder. Suppose you want to rename as this, and in this folder, again you can upload the document, so that your document will be classified according to different category. So whatever folder you want to create, you can create that folder, and in that folder you can put your document. So this is the very powerful technique. This can be used. So my dear friend, I hope everybody from the VPKBIT, they will subscribe this Turnitin software. They will create their own account, and compulsorily you have to check your reports, either project report or whatever written contents are there. You have to check it by this for the similarity by using this Turnitin software. You have to check the plagiarism, and you have to rewrite the content and make sure that your document is free of this plagiarism. So this is from my side, and thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.